So first one is all about the AI agent. We'll feed the agent a keyword. It will scrape the top 10 results from Google and provide us the outline for our blog. To test it out, you need to type the Python 3. Okay, so now it says enter the keyword to search on Google. So it's now fetching the search results. I have got this. So we have got our blog outline here. So it takes 3 chats to get this script working. It has added a debug functionality here. It's a debug, but the status is 200, which is I think working. This outline is only on the basis of knowledge of Deepseek, not based on the script. So here it didn't work. That means O3-Mini model actually wins here. Thanks to Deepseek R1, OpenAI integrated the O3-Mini with high and a medium reasoning inside ChatGPT for plus user for free. Why I'm giving credits to Deepseek R1 because they have included this upgraded model to the O1 with much lesser price. Also, that's what we call a competition and end of monopoly. Am I right? If you log into your Plus account, you will find these model O3-Mini and O3-Mini High. We will be testing out just now. So we will be creating 2 apps. So first one is all about the AI agent. So this agent, what we will do is we will feed the agent a keyword. It will scrape the top 10 results from Google and provide us the outline for our blog. We need to create a Python script. We will be doing that with the help of ChatGPT O3-Mini High model. So let's get started. Create that scrapes 10 results of Google with given keyword. If you didn't get these prompts, then you must be losing out so much potential for your business because it has everything from the social media to blog writing to coding. So here I will be searching for the outline prompt. So first thing first is step 1, build a prompt for ourselves. One more thing I want to do is provide an API document. We are going to create an agent to scrape top 10 results from the Google, and after scrape the result, what I want is to, based on this scraped result, I want AI to analyze it and form a blog outline. So create a bit on the following script. That's right, following prompt. Please draft. Okay, let me give you the MEC framework. So my MEC framework is defined there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to optimize this prompt to delete. So if you want to edit your local language, you can go ahead with the Spanish version here. I will put that as an English others on the additionally given the on the above subject. Give the piece of this, and FAQs should be included. FAQs, yeah, create a markdown formatted output only to read, that's right, and use open router API to form the. So I will be giving the API document for the open router. If I go to the open router here, you can find any models out there, but if we go to the model, let's see which model is ranking higher. Just top weekly. So obviously Anthropic 3.4 is there for O-Mini. So whichever you want to go ahead and you can do it. Let's do it with the Deepseek R1. So it's actually funny, we will be using O3-Mini with the Deepseek R1 anyways. So there it is. And going down here, I've already included that. And let's see what it does. So first is crafting a broadline, crafting a scraper, evaluating scraping options, evaluating the scraping tools, and identifying a solution. So evaluation is all reasoning that it does, giving it it's actually really pretty fast here. First, we need to install this beautiful soup out of Google. Make sure you install the required packages. First, you need to go to anywhere you want. So let me go to the AutoGPT here and create a new folder. The folder will be scraper, and now you can drag this folder wherever you want. So I have this open. So VS Code is here. Let's just drag and drop here and create a new file called scrape.py, which is for the Python. If you haven't installed Python on your computer, go ahead and download it from the official website. And afterwards, let's copy this Python script and there. So this is here. And so this is our Python script. And before to get it run, let me install all the dependency here. So dependencies are request beautiful soup for and the Google. Oh yeah, it's working. So run pip install the upgrade pip. Let's install that as well to upgrade our pip. And there you go. Requirement already satisfied. Everything is already satisfied. Now it's time to run our Python code. But before that, we need to enter our API key here. So we need to input the API key. So this is our Print a key option, replace with the site URL optional, replace with the. Anyways, let's go to our API key here. Go to the keys, create a new scraper key here using the Deepseek R1, create and copying it and pasting it down here. So this will be our operator key. So that's it. Nothing else we want to do. Okay, let's test this out and see. To test it out, you need to type the Python 3. Okay, so now it says enter the keyword to search on Google. So let's see top 10 dog breeds, or I would say narrow it down, top 10 small dog breeds. So it's now fetching the search results, scraping from Google. So this is number 1 scraping, and this is the number 2nd. Let's just wait for it. And 3rd and 4th and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, calling the operator to generate the block outline. So it just freeze there. I'm waiting for 5 or 10 minutes. It just freeze there. So let's just copy this and give the at this point do our debugging, also save the outline in txt format. So let's see if it can actually do all the refining, error handling, finalizing changes, mapping functionality, and constructing the prompt. So it started again. Everything is installed as you can see here. Let's just copy and paste that and click on the new terminal. After we click on the new terminal, we need to input our OpenAI key, and let's just enter our key here. Nothing else to be done. Let me just remind to add this here. Already satisfied. We are going to run the script again, python scrape.py, and for the top 10 small dog breeds, it starts fetching the Google search results. So it starts scraping it. There you go. So as you can see, it has added a debug functionality here. There's a debug, but the status code is 200, which is actually working. This is sending request to operator. So debug is payload model this, and the content is this. And let's see what it does next. So the rule is the user is setting this content, and if it's actually giving the answer we need, let's just wait for this. So it started debugging the API call. I'm piecing together the script issue and assessing the timeout zone, assessing the payload size, and evaluating this and see if it's work or not. New terminal and replacing all the content from the py, and there we go. So let's run the script again. Top 10 small dog breeds. But before that, we need to input our OpenWriter API key. So let me just copy the OpenWriter API key here, and there it is. And let's start. OpenWriter key, I've just typed that out, and scrape.py, and let's see. Oh yeah, top 10 small dog breeds. That's it. All the URLs are done. Anyways, let's go to the Deepseek here, and let's see if it can actually perform with the R1 model with the reasoning. We will be doing the same prompt and Deepseek R1 as you can see here, and nothing else. Let's see if the script given by the Deepseek one works or not. Okay, and let's see doing anything just as of now. Now let's go into the prompt here, which is the first prompt. Only one thing I need to add is to save the file in the text draft and use operator browline and save the outline in .txt file. That's it. Everything is same. Let's see if Deepseek can help us with the outcome, and let's just wait for it. I have got this. So we have got our blog outline here. So it takes 3 chances to get this script working, and let me paste that here. Key facts about each and choosing the right special consideration for this. There's the FAQ section. It takes 3 takes to actually get it working. And now let's wait for the Deepseek here. There you go. So it has written all the script here, and let's test that out. For this I will be adding again script.py, and let's test this to put our open router API key. So let's go to our open router API key. So API key is equal to API key. Okay, anyway, where we need to add, it will ask in the terminal. So let's see. So everything is same. This is something which is OpenAI and a text wrap 3. So these two dependency we need to install. So let's do that. First 3, everything is installed. Text wrap wasn't installed, so it has installed. And let's test the script here. Python 3 scrape2.py, which is the Deepseek version. Enter the target keyword top 10 small dog breeds, the same. It has asked the open router API key inside the terminal input. It doesn't let me add the functionality into the Python script, which I don't want to add again and again. Anyways, let's paste this out. Let's see if it can work the first time here. Okay, so it says scraping Google results, scraping page contents, generating blog outline. Okay, it's quite fast. So let's see if it can actually give us the output of O3-Mini, because it has added each and every steps here, which is the scraping this part, and added the debug to each, because I want to know which URLs didn't scrape or failed to scrape. And they have also added the calling the open router API can generate block outline, waiting for the API response, sending request to this. And I personally so far like the open API. It did get the 3 times to make it run. It does work, right? And it's also a very clean code as we compare to the Deepseek 3 version. Let's just wait for the block outline. And okay, so it's just going on like that. Okay, so it's been a lot of time. Now let's just give the input here. This will be the second take. Add the following. So I'm just giving it, just freeze at this following point of time, and let's see if it can actually give a go. This is the second take. O3-Mini did work on the third take, as we know. Didn't work yet. Server is busy, please try again later. Let me give one more go. So just started doing it. After the self-evaluation, it says the error occurred due to Google blocking the attempts or the open router API key calling timing out. So it's an improved version, and let's see if it actually does the same. Okay. Let's see if it does what we want here. The output is actually the same. The keyword will be provided by us. Then enter the open router API key. If you check your internet connection, verify API key valid. Okay, so let's just copy this and replace that with the scrape2 content. So there you go. Click on save. Python 2.py, and first is top 10 small dog breeds. API key will be here. There you go. Okay, so scraping Google results found URLs. Okay, so it has generated the blog outline. Okay, let me compare this with this. First history, there's a second, the first. So it failed at the scraping, but scraping, I don't know, it found 0 URLs as scraping page content and generative. These outline is only on the basis of knowledge of Deepseek, not based on the scrape. So here it didn't work. So that means O3-Mini model actually wins here, and all credit goes to Deepseek R1. If they haven't entered this at that pricing, then we will be paying a much load of money, just like the over model. So what do you think about this model? But in the next video, if you want to see a scraper that can actually get all the keywords from your list, scrape the content and create the outline as well as the blog based on your tone, let me know in the comment box. I will be creating that video next. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.